Hello there, I hope you are doing good. So this is one of my recent project which I have created and I want to show you this project. So this entire project has been created by using Next.js and TypeScript, and for the UI I have used the Tailwind CSS and Shadcn. And also I have used some other libraries, like I have used the IT Next for the translation feature and some other also. Let me show you the entire website one by one. I will try to keep this video short, so I don't want to waste a lot of time of yours. So this is the home page, and this is the header section. In the header, we have a mega menu section. If I click on the menu item, it will open the mega menu, as you can see. And this is the home page. Here we have 4 different type of our service, which is the create business, interest my account, modify my status, drafting contracts, and consult a lawyer. So if I scroll down, it will display all the things in the home page. And this is the section, and this is the footer section. So this is the home page, and from here, if I click on the see all offer, it will take me to the business creation parent page, but there the children page. If I click on the see all offers, and also I can see this page also have the same layout and same spacing, same padding, so that we can maintain a clean and seamless design across all the platform, right? So it has the same design. Now if I go to any parent page from here, if I go to SaaS, so this is the SaaS page. And from here, if I want to show you this page, it has also the same layout and also the same color themes. So I have maintained a seamless colors across this platform. Now if I click on the discover the price, it will take me to a funnel from where I need to provide all the informations to get a pricing plan for me. If I select on these, then I need to provide my name. Then if I click continue, I can select anyone. Then I can click continue. Then if I select I'm not interested, then I'm just selecting a random values. So basically we just need to provide some information. And in this step, we can select I make an appointment. If I click this, it will take me to the appointment booking section. Let me show you. So it's taking me to the appointment booking section. From here, I can select a slot for my appointment. Then I need to enter my information, and then I can click continue. The appointment will be confirmed. Then I can also let me show you this process for the next part. If I select this and if I discover the price again, then I'm just selecting random values to show you the rest of the part, right? So not interested. So here if I select the not at the moment, it will take me to the next step, and I need to provide some information. Then at the end, I need to provide my information: first name, last name, email, and phone. So this is the page from where we can take the user leads or user informations. And then if I click the continue, it will analyze user response. Then it will send user to the pricing page, from where user can see the pricing plans. And this is the FAQ section. All the pages have the same FAQ section, but the content are different actually. And also we have a user dashboard section. If I go to the user dashboard here, and as you can see, this is the user dashboard, from where user can see all the appointment he booked in this platform. This is the command days, and these are the documents from where they can download the documents. This is the messagery where user can contact with one of the support agent. This is a compatibility, and this is one of the placeholder page. My client will update this page later. This is a library from where user can find all the useful links for the blogs and for the guides. And this is the guide section. And this is the simulators. Simulator means all the simulators are being placed here so that user can access them easily. So if I click on the SaaS SCI, it will take me to the same funnel, but the content will be different actually. So this is the entire website actually. So if you want, you can visit this link, which is the captaincontract.parcel.app, and then you can see this website live. Actually, this is my expertise that I can clone perfectly of any website, and the design and layout will be perfect. And also I can clone the functionalities. So my client requirement was to implement a mock API for this website, and they will implement the real API from their side. So that's why I have just worked on the front end with a mock API system. That was actually my part. So one thing I want to also show you, if I go to the top article section, this is the article page, and this is actually good, right? This article page, and from here I can also navigate to the article by clicking on a specific section. So this will actually provide user a smooth reading experience from this site. Okay, so I'm not going to make this video long, so I hope you like this project, and if you want, you can share your opinion about this project, and I would love to hear your opinion.